Have you ever wondered how airlines save millions of dollars? It's all about switching planes on the same route, and you'll be shocked at the results.
Switching planes sounds simple, but it's a game changer for airlines. Let's uncover the surprising benefits of this clever trick.
Airlines face enormous costs each year, from fuel to maintenance. But what if a simple change could drastically reduce these expenses?
That's where the idea of switching planes comes in. The same flight route, but with different planes suited for the job. But how does this switch save airlines millions? It's all about efficiency.
First, let's talk about fuel efficiency. Some planes are built to save more fuel than others, even on the same route.
Switching to a more fuel-efficient model means airlines spend less on every flight. More efficient planes also reduce the carbon footprint of each flight, helping airlines meet sustainability goals.
Next up, let's look at maintenance. Some planes require more frequent maintenance, while others can go longer without major repairs. A plane that requires less maintenance will save an airline thousands in repair costs over its lifetime.
Also, newer planes often have better technology, reducing the need for repairs and downtime.
And then there's the cabin. More modern planes offer better space management and passenger comfort, which means happier customers.
Switching planes can also help airlines improve their scheduling, making sure flights are on time and more reliable.
But it's not just about switching planes now. It's about knowing which planes are right for each route. Airlines study flight patterns to determine which planes perform best under specific conditions, like weather and distance.
For instance, a smaller, lighter plane might be perfect for short routes, but not for long-haul flights.
This means the right plane can be placed on the right route, making every flight more efficient and cost-effective.
Switching planes doesn't just save airlines money, it also helps improve overall flight performance. Passenger satisfaction also plays a huge role. A comfortable flight means repeat customers.
With the right plane for each route, airlines can offer a better service without increasing costs. Plus, switching planes allows airlines to keep up with evolving market demands. As the industry evolves, airlines need to adapt, using the best planes for the job.
One of the best parts? Switching planes is a flexible solution to many problems airlines face today.
This strategy doesn't just apply to airlines. It's a great lesson for any business looking to improve efficiency and save costs.
So, if you're a frequent flyer, you might notice some changes in the planes you board. It's all for the better.
Some airlines have even gone so far as to completely revamp their fleets, switching out older planes for newer, more efficient models.
This shift helps airlines keep their competitive edge while delivering the best possible service to their customers.
The future of flying is efficiency, and airlines that make the right plane switching decisions will thrive. Switching planes may sound like a small change, but it's one that has huge financial benefits. By being strategic about plane usage, airlines are saving millions, one flight at a time. But the benefits don't stop there. Switching planes can also reduce delays and improve on-time performance.
Airlines are able to schedule flights more accurately, optimizing routes for quicker turnarounds.
By switching planes based on route needs, airlines create a more predictable travel experience for passengers.
The switch isn't just about the flight itself. It extends to the whole airline operation. Maintenance costs decrease, efficiency increases, and customers keep coming back for more.
The lockers are riding on the bay from Puntolans. Smart airlines know that every small change counts toward their success.
Let's take a look at some examples of airlines that have successfully switched planes for major savings.
These airlines have been able to reinvest the money saved back into their services.
As a result, customers are happier, and the airline benefits from a positive reputation.
Switching planes is just one of the many ways airlines are improving the flying experience.
Want to know more about how airlines work behind the scenes? Stick with us to learn the secrets of the skies.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.
From a single blueprint to synchronized collaboration, we drive progress forward, reaching the summit of innovation.
Airlines are finding new ways to stay ahead of the competition and offer better service, all by optimizing flight operations.
From minimizing delays to cutting down on unnecessary costs, switching planes helps airlines run smoother.
Choosing the right plane for the job is just as important as any other part of running an airline.
And this strategy doesn't just work for large airlines. Golden Gimme, smaller companies are finding it effective too.
Let's dive deeper into how these switches can even impact your travel experience.
Airlines aren't now just focusing on plane switching for the short term. It's about long-term sustainability.
By carefully evaluating the plane's age, condition, and efficiency, airlines make smarter decisions.
Airlines aren't just saving money, they're also improving their sustainability efforts.
One of the biggest advantages of switching planes is reducing the overall wear and tear on any single aircraft. Less frequent maintenance means fewer maintenance costs and less time spent on repairs.
This creates a positive feedback loop. Less maintenance costs, more reliability, and happier passengers.
Fewer delays mean more satisfied customers, and happy customers keep coming back for more flights. Now, let's talk about how these savings can be reinvested to further improve services.
Airlines can use the savings to improve their airports, increase flight frequency, or even upgrade their customer service. Ultimately, these changes make flying more efficient, reliable, and cost-effective for everyone.
Want to learn more amazing secrets about how the world works? Stay tuned, and let's uncover more together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week on Human Mind Secrets. See you in the next video.